Hello and welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing out there today? For those of you who are stopping by for the first time, my name is Theo, and for those of you who've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. For today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm subscription for the month of April. And for those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription which costs $21 per month plus tax. And each month you will receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. And the boxes are valued at over $100 each month. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got in this month's Boxycharm. As I showed you, the box looks like this. And then let's go ahead and I've already unfastened it, but let's just go ahead and open it up. And that's what it looks like inside. We have the card there and the foam protecting the products in the box. And on the box itself, it says Boxycharm and Hello Charmer. Very nice. Okay. So the first thing we see in here is the card that they send. On one side, you have all the products listed that you receive. And on the other side, if you can see that, we have the theme for the month, which is Peace, Love, and Boxy. Now, it looks like if this is from what I understand, the number in the corner is the version of the box that we received. So mine says 17. So it appears that I received the 17th version of the boxes that they put together. And I didn't even know there were that many. So let's dive in and see what we got. The first thing I'm pulling out is the Power Up by Butter London. Okay, and it's in the color Power Black. So it's a black mascara. I've never tried anything by this brand. Actually, I have, but I've never tried a mascara by this brand. So that should be nice. I really don't want to open it, guys, because I have a ton of mascara, and I probably have 3 or 4 open already, so I just really don't want to open that right now. The next thing that we got in here is a Bali Bronze eye pencil from Bodyography. This I will go ahead and swatch. It looks like a unique color. I'm not like a bronze. Let's see what that looks like on. It's right there. It's actually a very pretty color. It's nice to get a different color eyeliner in boxes because we get so many blacks, and I have a ton of black eyeliner, and I'm sure most of you do too, especially if you subscribe to any beauty boxes. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Artist Couture, and it's one of their Diamond Glow powder highlighters. The loose powder highlighter, and it's in the color Purple Dream. I know I don't have a purple highlighter. Is it actually purple? That's what it looks like, and that is the top. Oh, it's a purple, a light purple color. It's very pretty though. Although I've never used a purple highlighter, it may be nice to play with, to try it out, do something a little different. It looks a little different on the screen to me than it does on my hand, so it may be showing brighter, a little lighter than it actually looks on my hand in person. Okay. The next item that we got in here is, a 3 set of Luxie brushes. And I definitely love getting brushes in subscription boxes. We got the 209 large shader, the 245 small shader, and a small contouring brush. Okay, great. Both of those would be used by me for, like this one, like packing on shimmer or something onto my lid. This one would be just a good, shadow brush or blending things out, or you can use it for your lid as well. You can, with brushes, you can use them for whatever you want, really. Like they come with suggestions or what they were made for, but half the time I never use them for that. And that is the contour brush. Now this brush is kind of small, but there are times when I really do like the small brushes for contouring because I feel like I can just kind of get in there a little bit better. But you can also use this brush for if you want. I mean, you can apply highlighter with it. You can use it for under eye powder. You can use it to contour. You can do whatever you want with it. But these are beautiful. And the design on these, I don't know if you can see it really well on camera, but they fade. They're pink and then they fade into like a beautiful yellow with a rose gold handle. These brushes are absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the last thing that we got in the box for this month, or that I got in my box for this month, is the Pure Festival palette. And I must say that I have seen this because I've seen some unboxings before I got mine, before I opened my box. And this is absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I was so excited about this palette and looking forward to trying it. Let's go ahead and open it up and maybe do a few swatches. Okay, and yes, and in the box as well, they included an eyeshadow primer packet. So you have a little bit of primer to prime your lids before trying out the eyeshadow. And that primer is by Pure as well. This is just, the packaging itself is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Great. And that's the back. Oh gosh. Oh great. They included a full-size mirror as well in the palette. That's the mirror, and those are the shades. Stunning, stunning, stunning. So bright and beautiful. Well, really, actually, when I look at it, there are two really bright pops of color, and then the rest are kind of, and then you have the pressed glitters over here, the two bright pops of color, and then the rest of the palette really is, you know, nice neutral colors with pops, with a pop of color and a pop of glitter, which is nice because you can create different looks using this one palette. All right, let's do a couple of swatches and see what we got. I'm gonna start from the top row here, and then we'll go row by row. So I'm gonna do these real quick. Let me see if I can wipe some of this other stuff off. All right. Give that one a little bit more. Okay, so we have, first we have Free Spirit, Psychedelic, Good Vibes, and Peace. All of these are very, very pretty. These are more like a like a satiny finish. And then the next row we have, all right, so we have, starting here, we have Epic, the purple is Gypsy, the pink Wild Child, and that is the 24K Magic Glitter. That is absolutely stunning, stunning. I don't know about the fallout on the eye, or if you'd have to use like a glitter primer to keep it on, but that is absolutely gorgeous. Okay guys, in the last row, this is All Night, Hidden Desert, Sunset, and then we have the other glitter, which is Fireworks. And that is pretty as well. Now it came out a little not as smooth as the other one. I'm thinking it may be because it's in the inside of my hand. So I'm gonna try that one more time right here on the corner. Oh yeah, look at that, right there. Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful palette. I'm so excited to go off and play with this. I may actually film something with just this palette. This month's Boxycharm for me is absolutely stunning. Everything I got in the box I will use and I am excited about, especially this palette. If I got nothing else, like I said, the palette alone would have paid for the box. Boxycharm is a great way to build your makeup subscription and to try out different products each month. So with that said, guys, that's everything inside the box. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. But before you go, let me know down in the comments below what version of the box you got and what you received in your box. And for those of you who don't receive Boxycharm, if you're interested in learning more, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description box below so you can check them out. Guys, before you go, I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you'll know when I upload new videos and you can come hang out with me for a little while. Thank you so much for your time today. I hope you guys have an amazing day. And until next time, take care, guys. Bye.